Hi team, the basement's finally in decent enough shape to put up some seed starting shelves, so let's get that started.
It's really small.
Okay, so this is our first seed starting shelf. We're going to use 3 of the shelves. We'll store stuff on the bottom. We don't want to put plants on the bottom because of the cats. We've strapped 3 $25-ish LEDs to this shelf. I think the shelf was maybe $40 at Costco. And we've used zip ties to strap them onto the shelf. And unfortunately these ones don't daisy chain. So we've got them all connected to an extension cord, and we'll tidy up the cords once we figure out where this one's gonna live. Okay, so 3 types of onions. These are New York early onions. Oops. Weathersfield red onions. And Tokyo long white onions. So we've got the onions set up to start germinating. We'll turn off the lights so they don't need them. So 1 tray Tokyo long white and New York early, and the other tray is the rest of the New York early and the Weathersfield red. And for right now, we're just gonna store the extra trays in soil. We have to get more of both, and we have to get more shelves for the future. Oop. It's been 6 days since we started planting them, and we've got sprouts on the onions. Super exciting. All 3 varieties of the onions have started sprouting. So we've turned on the light. And I think later this weekend we're gonna start the lavender as well. Well, the onions are looking all green and awesome in the basement. This is what the garden looks like. But hey, there's only 13 weeks until we start planting out there, and we've got lots to do. So take care, and we'll see you soon.